beautiful people, I'm Hui from Inner Kid. Welcome to my channel. Before we start this tutorial, here's a quick introduction to our channel. You'll find a variety of craft tutorials here, and we also offer craft material kits ready to purchase and make it easy for you to get started. Do check the link below for more details. Now without further ado, grab your kit and let's dive into today's tutorial.
First, take a pipe cleaner, hold 10 centimeters of it in your hand, then twist it twice, about 2 fingers wide. These 2 twists will form the lower lip. Then make another twist for the upper lip, making this one slightly longer than the other 2. This will make the top lip slightly forward. After the twist, tie off with the shorter end. Take the longer end and insert it through the 3 loops from the top to create the dog's left ear, making it about 1 finger in length. Then, move it to the right and repeat the same action. Inserting the longer end through the loops to create the right ear. Adjust and align the ears. Now, we need to make the head look fuller. First, take the longer end, pass it from the back to the middle of the 2 ears, and go through the loops, tightening it slightly while adjusting the head shape. Repeat this process once more, wrapping it around again. You may adjust as you go, ensuring the back of the dog's head is smooth and full. Press down the ears and slightly bend the upper lip to create an upside-down V shape. Now, using the remaining pipe cleaner, let's make the body. First, fold it to form the right front leg, about 5 centimeters long. Then wrap it around to the back and fold it again to form the left front leg. Ensuring both legs are the same length. Take a second pipe cleaner to continue forming the body. Wrap the cleaner around the neck to secure it. Then go around to shape the body. leaving about 5 to 6 centimeters for the torso and a small portion of the shorter end as the tail. Fold to form the right back leg, making it the same length as the front legs. Then form the left back leg. Wrap the remaining part around the body to secure it. Bend down all 4 legs. Finally, smooth out the fur and trim the head. Cutting the ears into shape. Since a West Highland Terrier has a longer face, trim the side fur slightly. Round off the back of the head. And carefully trim the area around the eyes to leave some space. Also, trim the lower lip fur a little to reveal the mouth, making sure not to cut too much at once. Shape the mouth by trimming it into a slight curve. The inner ears don't need much fur, so trim them slightly. Trim the body fur according to your preference. Don't cut it too short, just remove any stray hairs. Shape the tail with a small point at the end. Now, let's attach the eyes and nose. First, insert them approximately where you want them. You can use eyeshadow or color pencil to color the ears to make it look more realistic. Adjust the angle to confirm the placement and then use glue to secure them in place. Attach the clay tongue as well. And that's the finished look. Finally, take a red velvet cord, cut it to about 40 centimeters, and make a loop for attaching the phone strap. Fold the cord in half, pinch it to leave a small hole, then tie a knot and tighten it. Make another knot, place the charm into one of the loops, and tie a bow. Attach the phone strap and you're done.